Okay, so for this problem, part A, ask is this study an observation or experiment? So it is an experiment. It's an experiment because the customers were randomly assigned to a treatment of advertisement 1 or advertisement 2. So since this were randomly assigned, so this will be an experiment. So, and then for part A, to find the probability of A, that's advertisement 1. So I look at the total here. Okay, so this is going to be the total advertisement 1, add 1. So this will be add 1 total. Add 1 total is 100 divided by the general total, which is 200. That's this number right here. And that will be 1/2, so which is 50%. Okay, now to find the other one, probability of advertisement given purchase will be, so I will look at, so what I will look at is, first I will look at add 1, right? I will look at add 1 and then divide that by, okay, so I'll write it like this. So this will be probability of A intersection P divided by probability of P, which is advertisement 1 and purchase. So that's just going to be 22 divided by the purchase, which is just going to be 100 here. And that will be 0.22. So that's 22%. And then for C, so the C says, okay, advertisement 1 and made a purchase are independent or not. So that's what we're looking at. And then justify your answer based on the probability in part B. Okay. So what we will look at here, so for instance, if you look at the probability of purchase rate, probability of purchase, that's just going to be, so the purchase is 38. 38 divided by 200, right? Divided by total, which is, this is 0.19. And if you look at the probability of purchase given add 1, that is 22. So it's going to be purchase and add 1, that's 22 divided by 100, that's 0.22. And if I look at the probability of purchase given add 2, that is 16 divided by 100, which is 0.16, right? Because add 2 and purchase is this number. So therefore, I can conclude that the events are not independent, because in order the events be independent, then probability of purchase is equal to probability of purchase given add 1. So these two should be equal, but they're not. So the answer here is no. So not independent. So not independent, because 0.19 is not equal to 0.22, and that's not equal to 0.16, of course. So knowing which treatment the customer received changes the probability they purchase. So these are basically not dependent. They're dependent events, so they're not independent. So I guess that's it. And I don't see what is the question in part D, so I'm only able to answer these 3 questions for this problem.